9 out of 10 drivers have no idea their cars are hiding advanced features that can save hundreds of dollars in repairs, prevent accidents, and make daily driving easier. Most of these functions sit right under your nose, but nobody explains what they really do. Today, we reveal the top 13 hidden car features every driver should know. Before we begin, click subscribe to Best Cars Reviews and Buying Tips. One tap helps us bring you more life-saving and money-saving content. Feature number 13. The hidden key inside your key fob. Imagine this. You're in an underground parking lot, your key fob suddenly dies and the doors refuse to unlock. Most drivers panic and call a locksmith, spending $150 to $200 for something they could fix themselves. Almost every modern key fob hides a backup mechanical key inside its casing. Slide a small latch, pull out the metal key, and you'll find a hidden keyhole on the driver's door, usually behind a small plastic cover. This simple feature can get you inside even with the dead battery manufacturers hide it in plain sight, but once you know it exists, you'll never get stranded again. Feature number 12. Traction control. The icon with the car and wavy lines is the traction control button, and nearly every driver misunderstands it. On wet roads, slippery pavements, or icy surfaces, traction control prevents wheel spin and stabilizes the car. But here's the twist. If you're stuck in mud, snow, or deep gravel, traction control actually makes things worse by cutting power. Press the button to disable it briefly, let the wheels spin, and regain movement. As soon as the car frees itself, turn it back on. This trick saves countless drivers from calling for help during winter or off-road situations. Feature number 11. Quiet the annoying lane assist beeping. Lane assist is helpful on long highway drives, but on narrow streets it becomes incredibly annoying. That constant beep every time you avoid a pothole or go around a parked car drives people crazy. Look for a button showing a car between two lane markings, usually on the steering wheel press, and hold to soften or deactivate the warning tone. Some cars hide additional options in the infotainment menu where you can reduce aggression, switch to vibration alerts, or limit lane assist to highway speeds. Adjusting this makes driving far more comfortable. Feature number 10. The AC recirculation button. That small button with the car and circular arrow is more powerful than most drivers realize. Recirculation mode shuts off the outside air intake and reuses air already inside the cabin. This blocks pollution, dust, tunnel fumes, and strong odors. In summer, it boosts your AC performance by up to 20%, helping the cabin cool down much faster while reducing wear on the AC blower motor. In winter, it prevents cold air from rushing in. Using this button strategically keeps your cabin cleaner and reduces long-term AC maintenance costs. Feature number 9. Steering wheel adjustment lever. Many drivers experience back pain or poor visibility without realizing the fix is right beneath their steering wheel. Under the steering column is a lever that many never touch. Pull it, and you can tilt the wheel up or down, or on some cars, extend it closer or farther away. The ideal position keeps your arms slightly bent, your gauges visible, and the airbag aligned correctly. A properly adjusted wheel makes long drives easier and improves control in emergencies. It's a small adjustment with big benefits. Feature number 8. The extendable sun visor for sunset glare. Driving toward the sunrise or sunset is one of the most dangerous moments of the day. The sun visor blocks light from ahead, but sunlight often enters from the side. Many cars hide a sliding extension inside the visor. Pull it out and it covers the side gap that blinds you during early morning or late afternoon drives. This feature prevents countless near misses, especially in areas with long stretches of open road. It's one of the simplest and most useful hidden tools. Feature number 7. Hazard lights as communication and safety signals. Drivers often flash their hazard lights to say thank you when someone lets them merge. But hazard lights serve even more critical purposes. Many modern cars activate them automatically during extreme braking, warning drivers behind you that a sudden stop is happening. If you break down on a busy road, hitting the hazard button instantly alerts incoming traffic. Some cars even switch to a faster blinking pattern during emergency situations. Using hazards properly increases safety and shows courtesy to other drivers. Feature number 6. The tiny arrow. Showing your fuel cap location. Drivers still pull up to fuel pumps guessing which side their fuel door is on, especially in rentals or unfamiliar cars. But the answer is right on your dashboard. Next to the fuel gauge pump icon is a tiny arrow pointing left or right. That arrow shows where your fuel filler door is located. This saves time, prevents awkward maneuvering at gas stations, and eliminates guesswork forever. It's a small detail that has been standard for decades but remains one of the most overlooked features. Feature number 5. The fuel cap holder. Inside the fuel door, most cars have a small hook or slot designed to hold the cap while refueling. Letting the cap dangle can scratch paint, collect dirt, and allow debris near the fuel neck. Contaminated fuel can cause clogged injectors or damage your fuel pump. Repairs that easily exceed $700 to $1,000. Using the cap holder is a simple 2-second habit that protects your engine, your paint, and your wallet. Every driver should use it, yet most never do. Feature number 4. Lower all windows. Using your key fob. Hot summers transform parked cars into ovens, but many cars allow you to roll down all windows using your key fob. Hold the unlock button, or in some models, press unlock twice and hold. All windows drop at once, releasing the trapped heat. This protects your interior materials, reduces AC strain, and makes entering the car far more comfortable. It's a feature that costs nothing, requires no setup, and once discovered, becomes a daily habit for many drivers. Feature number 3, the shift lock. Override for dead batteries. Your battery dies, and your automatic transmission refuses to shift out of park. You can't push the car and you're blocking traffic. Beneath a small plastic cover near the shifter is the shift lock override. Pop it open with your key, press the button inside, and you can move the lever to neutral with no power. This feature is life-saving in crowded streets, parking lots, or tight spaces where a dead battery would otherwise trap your vehicle and block everyone else. Feature number 2, night mode on the rearview mirror. When headlights shine directly into your mirror at night, there's a quick fix. The small tab under the interior mirror switches it to night mode, reducing glare instantly. Older cars rely on this manual system, while newer models have automatic dimming. This small adjustment protects your eyes, reduces nighttime fatigue, and improves reaction time. It's especially helpful on dimly lit roads where bright headlights can feel blinding. Feature number 1, auto lock. When you walk away. This feature sounds like high-end luxury, but many mid-range cars already include it. Walk away with the key fob and the car locks itself automatically. Some models flash the indicators or emit a short beep for confirmation. Forgetting to lock your car is one of the most common causes of theft, and this feature completely eliminates that risk. Enable it in your settings and your car becomes its own security system, protecting your belongings without you lifting a finger. If these hidden car features surprised you, imagine what else your vehicle is capable of. Modern cars hide dozens of tools that make driving safer, cheaper, and far more convenient, but only if you know how to use them. Don't leave money or safety on the table. Click subscribe to Best Cars Reviews and Buying Tips for more car hacks, buying guides, hidden features, and must-know safety tips. Your next drive will be smarter, easier, and better informed.